Hi, my name is Dr. Marco Caravaggio. I'm a family chiropractor working in Markham, Ontario, and I just have a little question for you. Do you or someone you know suffer from neck pain? But pretty persistent pain. There's sometimes, just doing your work and you just are a little sore, but if it's been sticking around for a little while, there might be a little quick exercise that might be helpful for this. So I'm talking about neck pain, but I drew an arm right here. So this is your arm bone, but there's a muscle on the front and on the back of your arm. So this would be your bicep, this would be your tricep. So when you need to bend your arm, the bicep would contract to bend your arm up. Now the key to this little exercise is that when the bicep contracts, your brain and your nerve system actually has to relax your tricep. So when you contract the muscle on this side, the opposite muscle has to relax. So many people have tension and pain in their neck, and they're always trying to stretch it. I got to stretch it out because it hurts. So let's take this little neurological approach to it and say, well, how about we try to contract the muscles on the front and tell my brain to relax the ones in the back. So a way you can approach this is, if you have all your tension and your pain here, you're actually going to try to flex your head. So you're going to put your hands here, put it against your forehead like this, and you're actually going to try to push your head against your hands. So you could do it like an isometric, like not moving, just putting flexion like that, or you could actually put resistance and keep that resistance and try to bend it forward and go back again, just bending it like that too. Okay? So just keeping that resistance the whole time you're doing it. So by doing that, you're activating these muscles and you're helping your brain tell those ones to relax. So that might be a quick, short-term solution that could be helpful if you have neck pain. But obviously, if people have consistent pain and that kind of thing, you're really going to want to get those things checked out. So obviously, the chiropractor is, the doctor that's, working on the spine every day, all day for, years of their life sort of thing. So we're really adept at checking with their fingers and making sure all the bones are moving properly and all the nerves are controlling it. And we check the whole spine to make sure it's all working properly. So if you need to look into things a little more in depth, obviously we'd like you to check us out. So somewhere on this page, there's actually probably be an offer for an initial visit at a special price. So just look for that offer, and if that's something you think you'd like, usually it takes about an hour for me to assess you, do the exam, and then after that we tell you if you might be a candidate for our care, and we let you know what you would need to do from that point on, but there won't be any obligation after the exam part. So just look for the offer on this page, go ahead and click it, fill out your information, and we'll get in touch with you to set up an appointment for you. Look forward to seeing you. Take care.